Hey everybody, welcome back to Mixing with the Geek. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Cosmic Christmas. Now this is an original cocktail that I came up with, and I think it's the perfect pair for Their Satanic Majesties Request by the Rolling Stones. Now if you know anything about this album, you know that the original title was called Cosmic Christmas, so that's where I got the name for this cocktail. But it is a really fun, sweet, orange, citrus infused with a little bit of mint, spice rum, vanilla, cream. It's my interpretation of a psychedelic orange smoothie. It is really, really good. You guys are gonna dig it, so let's begin. So first up, we're gonna grab our mixing tin and add some cubed ice. Then we add 1.5 ounces of spiced rum. Now I would recommend picking up a higher quality spiced rum. Don't go for the bottom shelf, aim more towards the top. This is Captain Morgan Private Stock. You can find it in most places, it doesn't run you that much. You could also, actually I really recommend picking up Chairman's Reserve Spiced Rum. That's a really good one, or you could make your own. And now we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of orange curacao, followed by 1/2 ounce of fresh orange juice and 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Next we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and then we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're gonna add 3/4 ounce of heavy whipping cream, followed by a dash of orange bitters. All right, now we're gonna shake. Okay, now we're gonna grab a Collins glass and fill it up with crushed ice. And now we're gonna strain the contents of our mixing tin into our Collins glass. Now our drink is almost done, but we're gonna add some dramatic flair to this cocktail. So we're gonna take a blood orange and we're gonna cut it in half. And now we're gonna squeeze it on top of our cocktail. Now this does get kind of messy, but I think it adds to the effect of it. Try to get on the sides too if you can. Now we're gonna garnish with a mint sprig, and be sure to slap it when you do it to release a lot of that fragrance. Just like that. Put that in there. And then we're gonna grate some nutmeg on top to kind of add to that Christmassy feeling. And then we're gonna add a straw. And there you go, the Cosmic Christmas. Oh, look at that beautiful drink. Can't wait to try this out. Oh, that is good. Oh my goodness, I love this drink so much. I hope you guys have fun making your own. This is a real blast to make. Now, if you want to make a mocktail version of this, it's really easy. Just replace the rum with some club soda, and then replace the orange curacao with an extra 1/2 ounce of fresh orange juice. And in lieu of these bitters, which does contain alcohol, just squeeze a little bit of orange peel. Get that orange oil right up on there, and you'll have a perfect non-alcoholic version of this cocktail. Well guys, that will do it for this time around. I want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my review on Their Satanic Majesties Request. Until then, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I am your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out this episode of Mixing with the Geek. Now if you want to see more of these, I put a playlist right there, as well as a link to that review of Their Satanic Majesties Request, which is a often overlooked album. If you haven't already seen it, you gotta check it out.